So hello everyone, myself Domendra Sahu, Google Dsc lead of Government Engineering College Bilaspur. So here are some ground rules for this session. Please mute yourself, use chat box for any queries. Feel free to turn off your video and we don't mind. Please don't spam. Let us know if you are having issues with audio and video. You got questions, shoot them at FAQ session. I heartily welcome you folks to the first session by Google DSC GCBSP. So let's begin with our info session. I know you guys have a lots of questions and queries about Google Developer Students Club GCBSP, and you also want to know how is it beneficial for you. So in this session, we will discuss about DSC. What is DSC? What is our vision? Who is DSC lead? What is the role of faculty advisor? What is the hierarchy of DSC GC Bilaspur? And what are the various clubs and who are their leads? What about the targets of DSC? Why you should join DSC? What are the benefits of becoming a member? Stay with me to the very end of this session to get all these answers. So what is Google Developer Students Club? Google Developer Students Club Gdsc is a program presented by Google Developer. DSCs are university-based community groups for students. Students from all undergraduate or graduated programs with an interest in growing as developer are welcome to this community. By joining a DSC, student grows their knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment and builds solution for their local community and businesses. If you are joining DSC, then you are able to create a global impact for the developer community. So what's our vision? The primary vision and the most promising vision of this technical community is to make students industry ready and prepare them all for the ongoing competitions in the outer software development and industry. This platform is especially designed to cover the gap between theory and practical applications for the student developer. Our vision is to identify and support university students who are passionate about growing developer communities that foster learning, sharing, and collaboration. So, hello again. I am Domendra Sahu, the GDSC lead of Government Engineering College Bilaspur. To become a GDSC lead, you have to go through many stages. You have to research about your surrounding, where you live and study. So, for my case, I researched about for my college student, their mindset and their activities. After that, I researched about this city, Bilaspur, through a developer perspective. The form filling process started in April 2021. After that, I was called for the interview round. Then the final stage, the result was declared. Out of 12,000 students, only 320 DSC leads were selected. To open a GDSC in their particular college, in Chhattisgarh, there is only 3 DSCs. The first one is IIT Bhilai, the second one is BIT Durg, and the last one is in our college. But our core team had a vision of bringing DSC to our college from the last year, and they all are working passionately to make this successful. That's all from my side, Rohan Baragi.
So hello and a very good evening to everyone. I will begin with my brief introduction and then proceed with the presentation. So my name is Rohan Bairagi and I am the co-lead of the Google Developer Students Club of GC Bilaspur. Today I am here to tell you about the role of the faculty advisor and also I will give a brief introduction about our coaching. As we all know that we always need a well-experienced faculty to provide a great mentorship to the community. I am pleased to inform you that Professor Rahul Gupta will be taking the role of faculty advisor of our community Gdsc GC Bilaspur. He will assist the activities of the team through his encouragement, advice and guidance. Every decision made will be acknowledged by the faculty advisor and will be transparent to the committee members. In the GDSC, he will serve as the trusted source of advice to the GDSC core team. And lastly, he will also facilitate the interaction between the community and the institution's administration. So that's all about the role and the responsibilities of the faculty advisor. Next, I will discuss about the team hierarchy. So as you can see that the lead is at the top of the hierarchy. Just below the lead, there are the co-lead, the community lead, the head of mentors, the project manager, and the head of operations. These 4 sub-leads will be directly managed and coordinated by the GDSC lead. The rest of the team will work as per the hierarchy. Moving on the next slide, that is the core team. So the core team is the body that is going to manage the community and conduct events. The core team members will shortly introduce themselves. Now coming to the role of the co-lead. So I am Rohan Bairagi, co-lead of DSC GC Bilaspur. I will be taking care of the departments, namely management, operating and mentorship. I will build a strong technical community by conducting technical workshop and meetups. I will also spread awareness about Google products and technologies. My responsibilities also include mentoring peers, problem solving, planning, and organizing technical events. So thank you, everyone. That's all from my side. Over to you, Mr. Pankit.
I hope you're doing like extremely good. So, talking about myself, my name is Prankit Sau, and I'll be the community lead of DSC. So, talking about my roles and responsibility, my role will be majorly for looking after the marketing PR, content developer, design, and event management leads. I will also act as a facilitator and will be monitoring the staff and the participants of the community. I'll be also be responsible for conducting all events with a smooth flow and try to bring a comfortable environment for all the participants. I will also act as a mediator between the participants and the staff. Along with that, I will also be assisting towards the to the participants who are new to the community. So you can directly reach out to me for any queries. I will also be looking into the internal affairs of the DSC lead or DSC. So that will be my responsibility in this community. Over to you, Shashwat sir.
Hello everyone, I am Shashwat Kashyap. I am selected as project manager and head of operations. I am responsible for monitoring the performance of the whole team. I would also manage the whole team to execute community operations more effectively and efficiently. I would define scope, schedule events, and give direction for every event. Thank you. Over to Mr. Awaz.
Hello everyone, my name is Arwaz Khan and I am a technical lead of this Gdsc. I will take care of the following things: determining the project requirements and developing the work schedule for the teams, and second, guiding you to implement the best practices and coding standard of the project, and third, motivating members and creating a space where they can ask their questions and voice their concerns. That's all from my side. Now I would like to call Srishti to take over. Thank you.
Thank you, Alvas. Hello, learners. A very good evening to one and all present over here. I hope you all are doing well. I am Srishti Gorha, an event management lead. As from name itself, I am responsible for organizing events and encouraging people, and also planning events from start to finish as per requirements, coming up with new suggestions for event success, handling budgeting, developing event feedback surveys. I am also responsible for running a range of events, ensuring the target audience is engaged or not, and the message of the event is marketed properly or not. So that's all. As I am event management lead, so the purpose of conducting this event, this is our first event, is to give information about our entire community. So thank you so much. Now I would like to call Miss Sunidhi to take over.
Thank you, Srishti. Hello, everyone. I'm Sunidhi Pandey, and here I am as a woman tech lead in Gdsc. As you can guess by the position name, my main responsibility is to increase women participation, and also we can help them to build their career in technology by providing different platforms to grow. Our main focus is to give them a boost up for WTM Women Tech Maker campaign. Here the WTM refers to Women Tech Maker, which is one of the famous and inspiring initiation by Google to train and improve the women globally. Through the WTM, you can get visibility, community, and resources for women in technological field. We are totally believed to empower women for the better upcoming future. That's all for now as a woman tech lead. Over to you, Anjali.
Hello, and a very good evening to everyone present here. Myself, Anjali Singh. I have joined GDSC GEC Bilaspur as content developer and design lead. I will be collaborating with other team members and clubs for creating unique and easy to understand content. I will be editing and analyzing new content prior to its publication. My responsibility is to come up with content goals and pitch ideas to the marketing team. Thank you. That's all from my side. Over to you, Aditya.
Thanks, Anjali. So, hello everyone. My name is Aditya Kumar Sahu, I will be working as marketing and PR lead in GDSC GC Bilaspur. My key responsibilities include planning, implementing, and managing public relation programs. I will also help in designing and reviewing a variety of promotional and marketing materials, which will establish the brand of GDSC inside as well as outside the campus of GC Bilaspur. I will also act as a spokesperson and ambassador of GDSC. That's all from my side. Over to you, Suyash sir.
Thanks, Aditya. Hello, folks. Good evening to all. I hope all of you are doing extremely good. So, let me commence this slide by introducing myself. So, guys, I am Suyash Chandrakar and I am elected as the head of Mentors Lead for this upcoming session. So, you all can see that my responsibilities as the head of Mentors Lead is to provide guidance, advice, feedback, and support to students for the betterment of the events. We will also try to bring some alumni of our college for the technical talk session. So be with us, guys. You all are gonna learn new things very soon. So moving on. In this next slide, you all can see that we have created different technical clubs based upon the technical stack we will gonna use in our sessions, such as Cloud Computing Club, Mobile App Development Club, Competitive Programming Club, AI/ML Development Club, and Web Tech Development Club. So moving on, in next we will gonna uh, cover up some fundamental about cloud. What is cloud? What is cloud computing? Why we use them? Cloud ops, DevOps. Uh, we will cover all these technical things in our upcoming session. For now, I can shortly describe what is cloud computing. So, cloud computing is the online form of computing where users can access application via a browser like Chrome, Opera, etc. while the application is installed and stored on a server. For example, you can consider Google Docs where we use Google Drive as a server. Okay, guys, that's it from my side. Thank you. Over to you, Mr. Tarun.
Thank you, Suyasha. So, good evening to everyone. Myself, Tarun Kumar Sahu, and I will be leading Mobile Application Development Club under the guidance of core members, mentors, and lead. In brief, my responsibility for the club is to provide guidance and support to my fellow team members. We will conduct hands-on training sessions and will provide complete roadmap and guide you till last. So, next, Sanya.
So thanks, Tarun. Hello and a very good evening to everyone. I am Sanya Ramchandani. I have been selected as a lead in competitive coding. As a club lead, I will be responsible to host and take part in multiple hackathons in and around the campus. I am here to conduct sessions for a training purpose. Also, to encourage students to participate in coding competitions. Fourth, forms teams and takes challenges in multiple online platforms. Fifth, sharp your skills for future. As you all know, competitive coding is important as it helps to improve the performance in data structures and algorithms at the time of interview. So that's all from my side. Over to you, Rishabh Dwivedi.
Thank you, Sanya. So, hey everyone, I hope you are doing good and excited a lot. So, a short introduction about myself. My name is Rishabh Dwivedi, and I'm going to lead the Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Club at GDSC GC Bilaspur. So, you may be wondering, like, what will be our main focus? So, we will focus on to educate the student community on what exactly is machine learning and artificial intelligence and its possibilities are. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. And the last but not least, we will also focus on some industry ready projects which will definitely help us in a near future. So, to sum up, we will definitely learn something new. So, over to you, Ms. Rupal.
Hello everyone, I am Rupal and I am here to inform you about Web Development Club. I am pretty sure that most of us are familiar with what front end is, back end is, and the basics of website. My goal will be to provide you with best possible resources which you can use to enhance your skills. You can see your imagination come to life. Don't worry, I am here to guide you through your web development journey. I know that this is a lot of information for you all to grasp, but don't worry, soon it will become easier. Now let's move on to the fun part. Are you all excited? Over to you, Prankit.
Okay, thank you, Rupal. So there was lot of serious talk. It already happened. So moving towards the fun part of the event, for refreshing your mind, we have planned to have a very short and quick Slido quiz for all of you guys. So I would just request all of you guys, you can take your any auxiliary device, or you can join the Slido quiz by just typing slido.com on any browser, and type in the code 42687 to there. You will be directed to the quiz page. So I request everyone that they could join this quiz. You can also join this quiz from the same device in which you are logged in with this meeting. So also let me share my screen. Okay guys, so we'll be waiting like for 2 to 3 minutes so that everyone could join this quiz. You can also join the quiz by scanning your the QR code on the screen. You can just open your Google Lens and you can scan it there. Okay, so we'll be waiting for 1 or 2 minutes more. Let everyone join the quiz. Okay, Domain, you can like share your screen. Okay, guys, moving towards the taking session forward. What are the targets of Google Developers Club? So the basic targets we are focusing on is like conducting different technical events throughout the year that will lead to aware student about industry leading technologies, making them more confident about it. Yeah, and the second is finding justifying solution to community problem and implementing them. Also, will be like focusing on bridging the gap between theory and the real life applications, which is very a huge issue in today's colleges, because people often learn the theoretical part very much in this their colleges, but the real life application they don't learn about them in very diverse way. So next is creating a community to grow students knowledge on developer. Google will also provide you products and platforms where through which you can do your hands-off workshops and event. You can conduct your events. You can work on different projects. Also, the main target which we focus on is like grow knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment. Okay, so moving over the next slide. At GDSC GC Bilaspur, you will learn latest technologies. Yeah, you will make projects in team and alone. You will participate in different contests. You will find like-minded people, same as you, because if you find like-minded people, so you will indulge more into the activities. You will innovate more. You will receive guidance from our seniors, your experts of the industry. You will also contribute to the open source, which is ocean of technology. Moving towards the next slide. Okay, so why should you join GDSC? So the perks for joining GDSC is like you will learn to work with a team, you will get a team spirit, you will attain certain kind of leadership qualities, you will build a community of like-minded people, you will get a platform of Google to showcase your talent, which is certainly a very good and a huge platform. You will solve real-world problems. You will also help to grow others. Okay, so these are the perks for joining GDSC Bilaspur. Let's move on to the next slide. Okay, from so now I will invite Sunidhi to take over the dice and continue.
Thank you, Prankit. Till now, most of you may be wondering about the profits and benefits of becoming a member of GDSC. So here we are with a bundle of surprise and benefits for you. As you can see in the slide, there are so many benefits of becoming a member, but mainly the 7 benefits are written over here. So let's go through it. You get to recognized by your efforts and get endorsement, which definitely boosts you up. Those who perform best as a member also gain letter of recommendation from the GDSC, which definitely help you to improve your CV, resume, or portfolio. And on the third point, you also get our projects which are open for you to contribute your skills, as well as you can get a better knowledge of team collaboration, which definitely helps you in the future. And then you also get different work opportunities and resources to grow, and also get some software development cycle knowledges. As you all know that there are always unthoughtful sides in the technological field, so here you get a chance to learn so many of them one by one. As we all know that you get an opportunity also to teach others through the help of the community. Apart all these 7 points, you also get confidence, boost yourself up, as well as you help to build your soft skills like teamwork, leadership, work ethics, adaptability, problem solving skills, communication skills, and many more. After knowing all about their benefits, all of you may be wondering about our principles. So, here is our designing principle. Our designing principle is mainly divided into 5 parts, which includes emphasize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. So the first part is emphasize, which means we can observe, engage, and immerse our idea, which is initial format of our designing principle. Then come to the second part, which is defining. In this, we present the idea in the form of problem, so everyone get to know what the problem is for which we are going to be worked. After that, we indicate our problem, identify the main problem, and try to find out the best solution which can help it out. Then we come to the fourth point, which is prototype. And in this prototype, we get to make a prototype of our idea, which can help to get solution from the real world. And in last, we test our final work, which helps to make it better and also to learn, iterate, and repeat for the betterment. So, folks, we see the benefits as well as the designing principle. So, that's all from my side for here. Now, I would like to call Abhishek Gupta sir to continue.
Okay, hey folks, I am audible. Can anybody confirm?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. So let's make like you already have been in a great session and GDSC team have done that. So I'm also asking like how you all are. Like let's see the responses. You are active or not? You can write in the chat box. Okay, how you all are? Fine, sir. And more. Okay. ठीक है. Okay. Thank you so much for the responses. So here's my introductions, and it's already available in the in your screen, which is like I am the former DSC Google DSC lead at Guru Khasidat Vidyalaya, and also a community manager and coordinator of Untitled Chapter Bilaspur. And apart from that, I am intern at Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology with the Government of India. Okay, so my journey is like I am from my starting first year. I have been a part of so much communities around the India. Okay, and one of the best community I can suggest is Gdsc. And congratulations everyone! Like you all are getting a Gdsc in your college, and trust me, it's really a great opportunity. And I know the feeling, I know the everything. Okay, so are you guys are excited? Yes or no? Like the team of your Gdsc Bilaspur, GC Bilaspur have done really great in your info session, and they explain each and each bit of point with their domains and everything. So are you guys excited or not? Yes, sir. Okay, so if I am asking like now, so you have to be attentive. Okay, you have to be active so that like you, it's bit time of interaction. Okay, so if you interact with a speaker now, so you will learn more. Great. So yes, you should be excited, and like I congratulate you all. So my journey, like in former DSC lead, is actually a great one. Okay, so if you know, no, so Google has so many communities in like for the developer relation team. So the upper one community is GDG, which stands for Google Developer Group. Okay, so it's a community which is situated in major cities of India like Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad. Okay. And the next big community is GDSC. GDSCs are those like who situated in the college, okay, and they contact with the Google team and the college, and after that they will going with some competitions from the Google and from the GDSC team also. Okay, then others are Women Techmaker team, TensorFlow user group, and etc. Okay, so why GDSCs are so special? Because if Google wants to test something new, okay, to college students, they allow GDSC's college to take that. Okay, so around in India, like 330s, above than 300 is GDSC's colleges are there, and one of them are used. So big congratulations once again. और अभी भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि like you are getting this opportunity, और ये आपके लिए बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा ही important है, okay? Because if you want to grow ना, so you have to be in community, and community is something like वो आपको इतना हेल्प करता है ग्रो करने के लिए कि मत पूछो. I have been with community with your कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स एंड दे रियली नो, ठीक है, कि हाउ दे ग्रो. बहुत सारे लोग हैं आपके टीम में ही जो गर्ल्स के बिलासपुर में भी थे, हम मेरे साथ थे, तो दे नो लाइक अ कम्युनिटी अगर एक एग्जिस्ट करती है तो क्या इसके क्या वैल्यू होते हैं, चाहे कॉलेज में हो चाहे कहीं पे, ठीक है. एंड वी आर इन बिलासपुर जहाँ पे कम्युनिटी अभी बहुत धीरे धीरे स्टेब्लिश हो रही है, ठीक है. सो आई होप कि आप लोग इसको और आगे बढ़ाएंगे, ठीक है. सो मैं एक बार आपको बता देता हूँ कि लाइक last year what events are conducted in GDSC, okay. So there are some major events conducted by GDSC, each of the GDSC around the India, which are like and which is collaborative with Google team, okay. So now this year they have some cloud sessions, they have some web development session, they have some machine explore session, okay, they have some Flutter session, they have some Android session, okay. So last year there is a program which is 30 days of Google Cloud, you know or not. So those students who just completed that program, na, they get this swags and goodies from the Google. Okay, and apart from that, you had like you are learning something new, and cloud technologies are really important. Okay, if you are going for the SD roles or anything, okay, so cloud technology is literally important, and you are learning free of cost. Okay. So that's the thing which is really important in like in a college or in any college. Okay. So like I am here to define something new. आप लोग को सक्सेस के बहुत सारे मीनिंग पता होंगे, ठीक है, कि सक्सेस क्या होता है, ठीक है. बट कोई अगर कोई डिफाइन करना चाहे माइक खोल के, जस्ट 1 minute ऑफ इंटरेक्शन कि व्हाट इज सक्सेस. एनीवन?
So can I?
Okay.
In my opinion, success is something when we have reached a state where we have learned every desired of knowledge we ever want to learn in our life.
Great. Good point. Anyone else?
So can I?
Yes.
So according to my point of view, I think the success is what when I feel that what I want to achieve in my life that I have achieved.
Okay, cool. Anyone else? ठीक है, तो मैं ये एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. सबके अपने अपने मीनिंग्स होते हैं सक्सेस के, और वो मीनिंग सबके अकॉर्डिंग ही अलाइन भी करते हैं, ठीक है. बट मेरा थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, ठीक है, और थोड़ा सा जिन्होंने बोला कौन को, जैसे आई डोंट नो द नेम बट हृदय आई नो, ओके, हृदय ने बोला काफी हद तक बहुत सही था, और उनके हिसाब से वो सही भी हो सकता है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी और मोस्ट ऑफ अस, ठीक है, सक्सेस इज नॉट स्पेसिफिक गोल, ठीक है, टू अचीव, but rather than striving. Okay, our dedication and the drive to reach the goal. Picking a goal is an arbitrary endpoint, and sticking to rigidly it to risk cutting off or success too soon. So, by defining success as what we do rather than a specific level of achievement, okay, we can more clearly view that success is a journey rather than a destination. And after all, if you reach a destination, you stop traveling, and success is never stopping. If अगर आपने अच्छे से सुना होगा तो इसका मीनिंग आपको थोड़ा सा पता चल रहा होगा, ठीक है। तो दैट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ सक्सेस, ठीक है। सो मैं थोड़ा सेशन को ख़त्म करते हैं, अपना सेशन को मैं अपने लाइफ के कुछ एक्सपीरियंस आपसे शेयर करना चाहता, मतलब लाइफ के जो एक्सपीरियंस है आपको क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, ठीक है। बीइंग इन अ टीम ऑल्सो मैं कुछ बता दूं। सो डोंट एवर लेट somebody tell you that you can't do anything, first of all, ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट। नॉट even allow yourself to say it, ठीक है। आप अपने खुद को भी मत बोलो कि आप नहीं कर सकते, okay। So we all have greatness, no matter what you have it, ठीक है। You just have to find courage through hard work and discipline. Lonely, fail, and lose from time to time are the greatest teachers of life. And happy Teachers Day, all of you also. आज Teachers Day और काफी अच्छी बात है कि आज ही के दिन आप लोग सीख रहे हो. So the biggest teachers of our life is loneliness, failure, and अगर you something lose something, ठीक है. And there is always a message in misfortunes, and you should not be afraid to fail. Everyone can be creative genius in their work. Okay? It doesn't matter who they are. So there are some tips which I wrote it down and I speak like मैं अगर कभी भी जाता हूँ तो वो बताता ही, ठीक है. So I learn to achieve anything in life. First one is focus on commitment, not motivation. First of all. Second one, seek knowledge, not result. ठीक है. You should pretend like अगर आप इस मीटिंग में भी आए हो तो आपको क्या नॉलेज मिलने वाला है वो सीखो, रिजल्ट की परवाह करनी ही नहीं, ठीक है। इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर अ पोस्ट, डजंट मैटर कि आपका रिजल्ट क्या होगा, आप ये बात देखो कि आपको उस एप्लीकेशन में, मतलब अगर आप पोस्ट में अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो कितना मिले। इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, जो भी लोग अभी लाइक जीडीएससी टीम के लिए भी अप्लाई किए होंगे, दे लर्न अ लॉट, ठीक है। कुछ लोगों का पहला इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस होगा, ठीक है। कुछ लोग पहले बार फॉर्म भी भरे होंगे, ठीक है। सो इट्स समथिंग इन लाइफ, आप कभी भी आप सीख सकते हो, तो सीखने पर हमेशा फोकस करना, ठीक है। थर्ड थिंग, मेक द जर्नी फन एंड सराउंड योरसेल्फ विथ पीपल हु सपोर्ट यू, ठीक है। नॉट लाइक जो आपको सपोर्ट नहीं करते उनके साथ आपको रहना ही है, ठीक है। तो आपको वो एक थोड़ा सा ढूंढना पड़ता है कभी कभी, एंड यू फाइंड योर वे, ठीक है। अगर आप अच्छी जगह ट्रेवल कर रहे हो लाइक इन योर जर्नी तो आपको मिल ही जाएंगे वैसे। फोर्थ पॉइंट, डोंट रिलाई ऑन अदर्स, ठीक है। आपको किसी पे डिपेंड करना ही नहीं, ठीक है। यू शुड बी इंडिपेंडेंट टू योरसेल्फ। फिफ्थ वन, गेट योरसेल्फ अवेयर ऑफ दिस सिचुएशन। हमेशा सिचुएशन से अवेयर आपको होना पड़ेगा, ये नहीं कि सोए रह गए कुछ पता नहीं चला, ऐसा नहीं। सिक्स वन, स्टॉप बीइंग नाइस टू योरसेल्फ, दैट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, ठीक है। आपको अपने साथ ही नाइस नहीं होना है, ठीक है। अगर आप अपने साथ ही नाइस होने लगोगे तो बाहर वाली दुनिया तो आपके साथ नाइस ही नहीं होगी, ठीक है। So that's the thing which I take. And last point is enjoy your journey, ठीक है। आपको enjoy करना ही है, this doesn't matter क्या situation है, you should enjoy, ठीक है। There's not like आप पढ़ते जा रहे हो, you're doing something but you're not enjoying that, ठीक है। तो enjoy your journey and have fun, ठीक है। So thank you so much everyone, and I like if you have any question regarding regarding me or if regarding to this, so you can contact me on LinkedIn. I will just put it down my LinkedIn ID. Also there is a LinkedIn ID mentioned in that also, no problem. And apart from this, like if you have any question you can ask in the end of the session, and I request GDSC team to continue, and hope you like the session.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words. It really means a lot for all of us. So, guys, if you have any doubts regarding anything or regarding GDSC, so maybe you might wondering that to whom you contact. So, GDSC GC BSP believe in clearing all types of queries inside you regarding club structure, technology, and as well as our recruitment processes also. So you can reach out any of our core team members or any of our members regarding any of your doubts. I ensure you we all definitely help you to clear your doubts in any format. And I'm sure after knowing that much about GDSC, also from Abhishek sir, I'm sure so many of you want to be the part of GDSC and also want to get a chance to grow with our community. So, guys, for that, and also So participants, here we are with a wonderful solution. You can go through the link. Next slide, please. You can go through this link and join and get the membership in the GDSC GC Bilaspur. See you all there. And if you still have any doubts or confusion regarding anything, you can also reach us through the social media platforms. We are also in social media platforms like, next slide, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, as well as you can also reach us through mails and Instagram. So, guys, for the upcoming events and uh, event details as well as for the participation, you can follow, connect, and also take the membership through the provided link, which is in call messages also. And we are also available in Discord. So, for making you familiar with Discord, I would like to call Arvaz to take over. Arvaz, thank you.
Hello everyone. Hope you are well. So we have a Discord channel. Due to some technical issue, I cannot show the channel. So one important thing about our channel, we have an introduction channel, which is the most important channel in our server to grow your network. Please give your proper introduction there and with your social media link because it is important to grow your network. Thank you. Over to you, Domain.
Thank you, Arvaj. Thank you everyone for joining this session.